Getting an age restriction error on TikTok on your iPhone, fixing it is super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the age restriction in TikTok step by step. So let's get started. Open up the Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, dear TikTok team, I got an age restriction and I can't change my birthday date. I have everything valid. Please help me to solve this problem. Then attach your birthday proof here. And then checkmark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. That's how you can remove the age restrictions on TikTok using your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.